Now, in terms of, here we have a uranium-238 and uranium-234, but both decay by emission of alpha particle. In terms of particles in each, state how the nucleus of 238 differs from 234. So here we notice that the atomic mass is 238 while the atomic mass is 234. So uranium-238 has 4 more neutrons than uranium-234. Moving on, although 2 nuclei are different, they are both the nuclei of uranium. State the property that makes these isotopes the same element. They have the same number of protons or the same atomic number, which is 92 in this case, which makes them the isotopes of the same element. Next. Alpha particles pass through the air. They are more strongly ionizing than beta particles. State 2 reasons why this is so. One reason alpha particles are more ionizing is because the magnitude of charge of alpha particles is plus 2e, whereas that of beta is minus 1e. So since the magnitude, not just the polarity, the magnitude itself is much greater, they have a higher ionizing power. Also because they have a greater mass, which means they move much slower than beta particles. And that is also another reason why they are more ionizing. In an experiment, alpha particle allowed to stack thin gold foil in vacuum. Almost all the alpha particle passed through, while a small particle deflected. The result reveals certain features. What is known about the atoms? Most alpha particles stay to undeviated or undeflected. That means most of the atom, most of the space inside an atom is empty. Some alpha particle deflected back the way they came. This means that there is a strong positively charged center called the nucleus, and this has deflected the alpha particle such a way that they have retraced their path.